Hi guys, today from my kitchen I'm going to show you how we can prepare energy bars, especially for Ramadan. So Ramadan energy bars, it's so healthy and it contains all of vitamins and contains many vitamins and protein. So today I'm going to add in these bars, I'm going to add raisin. You can add wherever you like nuts, but I'm adding raisin, I'm adding chopped apricot, I'm adding figs, I'm adding dates, almonds, cashews and walnuts, and also here I have honey and I have nutmeg, which is so delicious. With these we need a little bit of vanilla extra, and we need half a cup of sesame. So first let's get started preparing quick the recipe. Here I have a food processor. I'm going to add all of the nuts, cashew and walnuts and the almonds. You can add pistachios, Brazilian nuts, anything you like. Okay, so first I'm going to mix little bit the nuts, little bit, teaspoons. We don't want them to be very minced. That's perfect. Okay, so now I'm going to grate some nutmeg. It's so it smells so beautiful. I love it. And I'm going to add the dried fruits. So these bars, it's so healthy in Ramadan. It's so good. All right. Now mix them a little bit. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla with them. All right. And mix it. I'm going to add of honey. This is no bake bars. If you wanted to bake them and make them crunchy and crispy, you have to put the honey in a saucepan and put half cup of honey, half cup of brown sugar with them, and when they start to boil, add all of the ingredients on them. So mix them now. All right, so I'm going to add the rest. We need half a cup of honey. You can just use maple syrup if you like, but honey tastes better. Okay, mix them. Now final step, I'm going to add the sesame. So now, after we mix all of the ingredients, I'm going to put them here in this tray. Okay, so I'm going to put another one on top of it and make it level. Take it now. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to put them now in the fridge for about 1 or 2 hours, and after that I'm going to chop them. See you after that. Okay, so now the energy mixture or the energy bar is ready. Now I'm going to take off this and start chopping it. If you like, you can just form it into a ball Okay. Look at this, guys. This looks so yummy, so delicious. And this is the energy bars, full of protein and energy, so it's very good in Ramadan. And as I said, if you want to make them bowls as well, it would be so good. So each one bite or 2 bites. And another way you can just make it, sometime I'll make it, if you want them to be so crispy and crunchy, you have to keep them little bit, you know, bigger chunks. And also you have to heat the honey, half a cup of honey mixed with half a cup of brown sugar or white sugar, little bit like 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Heat them until they start to boil, and after that mix them all together with the nuts and the dried fruits, and then you know, complete the same steps that I did and leave them in the fridge, and they will be so crunchy and delicious. Guys, I hope you enjoy watching this video. Thanks for your likes and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching my video. So stay tuned, and I will see you soon in another video or another recipe of food. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.